Hi guys, so today's video is going to be a JA Woman Wednesday video, and this is going to be a new segment here on my YouTube channel where I tell you guys all my secrets, all the places that I shop. I do makeup video, hair videos, and do all my like female type of stuff. I used to do a lot of hair videos, I used to do a lot of makeup videos, and I used to do a lot of fashion videos, but then I stopped and switched over to doing more commentary. But now I want to incorporate more commentary and like my fashion and beauty videos on the same platform, so my men can have their commentary side of my channel and the women can have like the fashion makeup side here on my channel, so they can like people can have the best of both worlds basically. And me tired of my Jamaican woman them just go out and have them wig look mash up and pop up and just have them here just cock up in the ear and looking funky, and me tired of it. So I want to help you guys out. I want to tell you guys my secrets. I want to actually show you guys how to do stuff and how to look bomb, like bad and bougie when you go out. And my boyfriend actually don't like wigs, and I was like, I want a wig, I want to look different, da 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 da. He was like, whatever babe, do whatever. But you know how me feel about you already. I don't like wigs. And when I did this, put this wig on, I sent him some picture and some video, he called me and was like, oh my god, I like it, it looks good, blah blah blah. But I used to do hair and makeup for a living, so if I don't know how to do my wig and know how to do my hair, that means I didn't know how to do a good job. And I actually used to have clients that I do their hair and their makeup and all that for. So I just slapped this wig on my head. I didn't customize it, I didn't do anything to it yet. So I'm gonna show you guys everything that you're going to need. You're gonna need a mirror, of course. You're gonna need scar away, and this is what you put on scars. It's basically a silicone sheet. This is gonna have your lace looking banging, okay, banging. You're gonna need a little comb, rat tail comb, and you're gonna need a little brush depending on what you like using. You can use got to be glue or gorilla snot, anyone you like. I like the got to be glued for my edges, and I like the gorilla snot to actually put on my wigs and have them staying on. And I like to use both of these incorporate or together with my Fantasia liquid mousse super holding spray. So I'm gonna show you guys how I use these together. The next thing you're gonna want to find is your version of a nude wig cap. So because me light and bright, me a light bright, this one is my nude. If you're like a darker complexion, more chocolatey, this type of nude would be your nude. And they have different colors, more darker brown colors for all my women of color. You're gonna need a scissors, a cutting shear. I like these a lot. You're gonna need a powder that looks like your skin tone, and then you're gonna need a concealer that actually matches your scalp shade. So I'm gonna take this wig off. It's not glued down or anything. Oh, and this is the wig that I bought. This is just a cheap beauty supply store wig. This is the wig. I mean, I spent my money on dear wig. You can use some gel to lay down your hair under your wigs if it's not being rolly. So the first thing I'm going to do is figure out where my lace is. So this is the little piece of lace that they have. They have lace at the front, and they have this here part. They actually have like the lace and this little piece. I'm gonna cut this little piece, making sure I don't cut the lace. So I'm gonna do it like this, so I can actually customize my lace and have it looking right. So this is how it looks without the product. The little shield thing, I just cut it out. So now I'm gonna get a concealer that matches my scalp. It looks like my scalp. I hate when people come on here and talk about use a concealer that match your skin tone, la 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 la. No, use a concealer that match your scalp color. Your scalp color and your skin tone is two different things. I'm gonna use it on a brush and I'm gonna dab it where the lace is, just to lighten the knots on the lace. Yes guys, this is what we use to fool you. Even though most men know when a woman is wearing a wig or a weave, they're not stupid, they can tell. I like to wear my natural hair and I like to wear wigs and weaves also. Then I'm going to get some face powder. I'm gonna set the concealer in place so it doesn't move around, smudge everywhere. So take it and dab it in with the brush again. And then we're gonna let this dry and then we're gonna come back. You see how natural the parting area looks? It looks very, very natural. This is how you want it to look when you're done. Yes. Now we're gonna get some scar away and we're gonna make it look even more natural. And this is how they look. And I'm just gonna cover my lace, the lace portion, with this. And I'm gonna put the sticky side on my lace and I'm gonna lay it like this. Now this is how the scalp area is gonna look when you have on your scar away tape on it. It looks like scalp. It looks like natural scalp. This is how you fool them on them. And this is how the inside looks with the tape. Now I'm gonna get some got to be glued, and this is gel, this is not actual glue. I'm just letting the hair fall where it naturally wants to fall. I'm not forcing anything. Now I'm gonna get my tiny brush and just brush these. And I don't have very thick baby hairs in real life. I don't even have baby hairs in real life, so I'm not gonna make these thick and just curvy or any of that. Then I like to back comb And this is how the hair looks after. Look like it's coming out my scalp. And if you have flyaways like I do, you can just spray your comb like this with the spritz and just run it through your hair and they will go away. So this is how your wig is supposed to look. Those are my little tips and tricks and secrets of laying your wig and having your wig looking like it's growing out your scalp, or you just had a fresh perm. Yes, bitch, slay. I'm probably gonna cut more layers in this, but whatever. So if you want to see more videos like this, comment in the comment section and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm proud of here, man. Deuce.